Hey there, if you've never seen these big old cheeks before, my name is Alex from over there at MissBeautyBunny.com, and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos over on YouTube as well. And I partnered up with MODA brushes today to share with you all things holiday that they have going on. And if you've already started your holiday shopping, I know I have, then I want to show you some of the amazing brush collections that they have already and geared to go for the makeup lover in your life, or if you just want to add some more to your own collection, then let me show you the pieces that you definitely need to have. If you don't know much about MODA brushes, or you're just brand new to the brand itself, they are vegan, great quality, cruelty-free brushes that definitely are affordable and won't ever break the bank. And they have something for everybody. So if you are a lover of the colors of the rainbow, they have a rainbow selection for you. If you love metallics, they have a metallic collection for you. If you love mermaid vibes, they have a mermaid collection for you. If you love glitter, they have a glitter collection. Like, everybody is included when it comes to MODA brushes. They left no stone unturned when it comes to having something for everybody. The first collection I want to share with you, I think tops everything holiday when it comes to makeup brushes, and that is MODA's metallic collection, because that metallic collection is all things glam. You get 3 different types of metallic. You get silver, gold, and rose gold. I'm here talking about it. Let me show you what they actually look like. I didn't want to take them out of the boxes so that you can actually see the type of box that it comes in. So everything comes in these clear plastic containers showing you the name MODA Metallics and that they are 100% vegan. All of that is on there. Each of these packets I will try to hold up all 3 of them, because you're probably going to be shopping exactly like this and just throw all 3 of them in your cart. That's what I would do. That's exactly what I would do. Just throw all 3 of these in your cart so you can have the gold, the silver, and the rose gold metallic, and they're all beautiful. So this is what they all look like all together. Imagine this on your vanity, guys. Especially if you have a different theme. Like, for example, I'm doing a more, how would I say, like a silver vibe this Christmas. You can see my holiday gnomes are already here to help me. So I would definitely grab the silver one, right, to make sure that my vanity that's all the way over there matches with the overall theme. So each of these are a 6-piece set, meaning you get 5 brushes on the inside of the cylinder, and then the 6th piece is the actual container that it comes in. Now, MODA already knew that you want to display these. So what they did was they made the actual canister into all things glam. So the canister itself is beautifully embellished with wrap-around crystals going all the way around. It's so beautiful, you guys. I really love how they turn the dial up on these all the way. So if you have somebody in your life that loves glam, definitely check out the Metallics collection. I'm going to go ahead and open up the rose gold one, just in case you have someone in your life that loves rose gold. Look at that. Isn't this gorgeous? I just really love how they piece this together. So again, this is a 6-piece set. This comes in 3 different shades. You get silver, gold, and you get that rose gold, which I'm holding right now. So you can pick and choose which one you like and grab another one for a friend. Now, those ones were the individual metallic pieces, right? But if you can't choose, or you just want a little bit of everything, MODA's got you, girl. They have a metallic deluxe gift set. Featuring 3 colors, all 3 colors. So you get some pieces in silver, you get some pieces in rose gold, and then you get some pieces in the gold line. How cool is that? And then you also get a little carrying case for the brushes. They really thought about everything when it came to this one. Of course, these are no different in terms of the quality. The quality is still great. You still get that sturdy aluminum ferrule that's going to secure your brushes, but they do give you some different brushes that are different from what you have going on in the individual sets. So in this one, in the deluxe set, you get more of the eye brushes in here. You get a couple of face brushes, and then you definitely get a what do you call it, like a more multi-use brush in there. So let me turn it back over. So they tell you on the back of majority of all of their packaging that what you get on the inside, right? So this particular collection, you get a blush brush, a highlight and glow brush, a foundation and contour brush. You get domed eyeshadows, crease, brows. So definitely everything that you need to create a whole face is in this deluxe kit. from the metallic collection. So that stylish zip case is just an added bonus to all of the brush goodies that you're going to get in this one. So if you just want to test the waters in terms of what the metallic collection brings, then definitely try the individual bits. But if you want the deluxe to just dip your toe into each one, then I would say go ahead and get the deluxe gift set. Let's say you prefer a little bit more color, right, to your collection. You don't want like the gold and all that. You just want some color, like bam, thank you, ma'am. You want something unique. There we go. Then I think these next two collections are a little bit more up your alley. I would say for the glam girl in your life, you definitely want to go ahead towards the MODA Mythical collection. If you're into fairy tales and unicorns and you need your makeup brushes to exude that, then this one is definitely for you. This one is a 6-piece star travel kit, and it is a beautiful, beautiful collection of long handled brushes. They come in pink, and then the actual bristles on them are purple. So I love purple, so that drew me to this one even more. You get 6 pieces in here, which means you get 5 brushes, and you also get a gorgeous little silver bag on the inside. The bag is actually the background of the packaging. They think about everything, guys. So in this particular kit, you get 2 face brushes. So you get your blush brush, and then you get your complexion brush, and then the other 3 brushes are definitely for your eyes. So you can go ahead and do that. So this one is definitely full face friendly. And then the next one that I think is really cool is this 4-piece face perfecting kit with this unique shape in terms of the brushes. The colors on here are like a multi-dimensional prismatic type of vibe. The brushes on this are also purple as well. You started to see a theme here. So yeah, you guys, and this one you also get a face brush. So it's more like, this one is more like for the complexion, right? So you get a large brush for like overall your face, and then you get another one for blush and bronzer, and then the 2 smaller ones are definitely for more fine-tuned work. So if you have concealer you want to do, if you want to do a little more contouring, if you need to do some stuff around the nose, the eyes, that's what these smaller brushes are for. So this particular kit is definitely more geared towards the face. There's no bag in this one, unfortunately, but I think you're getting definitely some unique ones to put on display in your collection. Now, I know a lot of us are not going anywhere right now, but when we do get a chance to go, or if you're doing more staycations this year, but you still need to look amazing, then I think these next 2 pieces are going to be up your alley. My little gnome friends are helping me with this. They are holding what are the MODA mini kits, and I'm gonna grab the purple one from my friend right here. He is holding a 5-piece travel eye kit, and this one is in the purple color. You get 4 brushes, so these are more mini brushes, right? I'm gonna take them out so you can see the size comparisons. So this is a little case that comes with it, and this is the size of the brush. Look at it compared to the inner portion of my hand, you guys. These are tiny. However, they're mighty because the body of them are small, but the actual head of it is full size. So you're looking at a full size ferrule and brush, but just the little handle portion is the small part. This portion also has a little bit of cushioning to it, so it's not hard or anything like that. Great for travel. These are perfectly thrown into your purse, into your bag, into your suitcase, whatever you need. Like I said, you get 4 brushes. I'm gonna pull the rest of them out. You get 4 brushes, so this one could be definitely go ahead and use for the crease. This one is an angle brush. You could definitely use this for more detailed work around your brows, around your eyelids, if you want to do like a liner or something. And then this one is a larger flat shader brush, so definitely good for putting on, you know, eyeshadow. If you need to blend out some concealer, you can do that with this as well. And then you also get a smoky-eyed one, and that one definitely for what it says, smoking out some eyes, but you can definitely go in and do more detailed work if you need to contour the nose. So even though you get 4 of these little mini brushes, I think they are a powerhouse all together on their own and let you do so many amazing things in such a small compact size. So that was the purple color. And then my other friend over here has this one here. This one is gorgeous. It's more of a pink base brush with a silver ferrule. This one is adorable. And the same thing here, you get 4 brushes and you get a carrying case. The carrying case in this one is more of that, how do you say, more like a glitter iridescent type of little case. It's so, so cute. But the handles on this are a clear pinky color, so that is gorgeous with the pink brushes. I think this one is cute too. What else I think these minis are great for as well? Some mommy and me time, right? So if you have a little one and she wants her own makeup brushes too, and she sees you using your MODA brushes from your own collection, and she's like, I want to use your brushes too, mommy, get her her own little MODA brushes. I think this would be such a cute gift for a little girl who's into makeup and wants to do her makeup with mommy. So this is a great, great gift for a little one if you have a daughter or a goddaughter or a niece who's really interested in getting into makeup. Now this next kit I'm really excited about because on this side you've seen probably the eye portion of it or just the face, like little bits and pieces, right? But I don't think they've ever had a kit, and I'm excited to share this one with you guys. This is the MODA Totally Electric full face kit. Here is the box packaging and here is the packaging. Where did I put it? It's here. This is the carrying case. This is the carrying case. Look, it is gorgeous. Again, we get that iridescent color to the case, right? And this one is way sturdier because it's a zippered closed case, and you open it to reveal all of the brushes, all of the colors of the rainbow. If you love doing your makeup with colorful brushes, or you have a friend that loves using color in her makeup but wants her brushes to be colored as well, go and get this kit. You have your face brushes and you also have your eye brushes. You have absolutely everything you need to go ahead and do your makeup feeling your best self using this particular kit. This one comes with waterproof silk touch handles, obviously. Ooh, I want to feel that. What does that feel like? I'm taking out the orange one. Everything comes individually wrapped, so that is great as well. But I want to feel this handle. Oh my. Ooh, that handle is so soft. It's not no hardwood, y'all. That feels amazing. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. And just so a reminder for you guys to know, all of the hairs on these, even though they are synthetic bristles for all MODA brushes, they are some of the softest. They are the softest brushes, okay, you will ever own that are not animal. They're not animal and they are super soft. I told you this, remember that. So this Totally Electric kit is just, it's amazing. Nobody wants a boring brush. No one wants a boring brush. So I think this particular set is going to definitely be for the person in your life, or even you, who loves to work with color, who also needs their tools to be colored. Look at that brush. Look at that pink brush. Do you love pink? If you love pink, then you need this brush. You need this brush. Ooh. Wow, that feels amazing. I'm excited about this. Super duper excited. So yeah, again, this is the electric full face kit. You get 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, how many brushes do you get in here? How many brushes do you get? 13 brushes. You get 13 brushes in this kit. You cannot go wrong. Absolutely cannot go wrong. Loving the carrying case. Zip that baby up, throw that in your carry-on bag, and you are good to go. Get you this one. I'm going to show you the box again so you don't forget. That is what the box looks like. Grab you this MODA Totally Electric full face kit. Absolutely right now. Wrap this for yourself because you need this one. You need this one. This is mine. You need yours. Last two pieces that I want to share with you are definite must-have, especially if you have a growing collection from MODA brushes, then you're definitely going to need a carrying case. I love the color of this. This is going to hold all of your brushes. All of your MODA brushes can fit in here. They definitely have a top piece to hold probably some of the bigger brushes because it's more of the elastic holder in here, so it stretches out right at the top. So this to me is where your go-to brushes go, right? You can definitely put your concealer brushes in here. You can put your powder brushes up here. You can put your complexion brushes up here. So they've got 4 slots, but like I said, I think this is more for a bigger brush to hold it down really, really good, and you can see it really quickly. Next up, they have this inside mesh pocket, so I'm going to pull that out. It looks like this. That way you can hold, if you have some smaller brushes, you can put them in there. If you've got sponges or anything like that, you can also put those in there. But this is deep. This goes deep, guys. Like, that is what the inside looks like. Like, that's how much of my hand takes up space in there. There we go. You can see that. So it's a really big, good size bag. I love that oil slick kind of vibe that the color has going on. And it's a zip top, so you can definitely throw all your brushes and your makeup in there. zip that up, and it has a handy dandy handle, so you can definitely hold this and carry your stuff in your hand if you need to, if it's, you know, really you don't want anything to break in here. You can also see through this, guys. I'm looking at it now. I can actually see inside, but I can also see my reflection, so that's always good. So yeah, or if you want, I love the shape of this. Like, it's not a square. It's more like an oval kind of, or an oblong oval, but it's still tall and deep enough that if I needed to put this in a bigger suitcase, I'm heading to grandma's, I can stuff that into my suitcase, zip that up, and I'll be good to go with all of my makeup. Happy, and safe inside of there. And lastly, we do have something to clean your brushes. So if you're getting all these brushes, you have to keep them clean as well, right? We don't want you guys breaking out, you know, from any leftover makeup or anything like that on your brushes. You want to keep them nice and clean so they last you forever, right? So they have a heart scrubby now, and it's a makeup brush cleaning pad. You don't need your makeup brushes having any oil, any caked up anything on them from 2 weeks ago. You need your makeup brushes to be clean. So I think this would be a great gift as well. But yeah, this is cute. You can stick it at the bottom of your sink or wherever you wash your brushes. Make sure to rest it there, put on your solution, and then go ahead and clean your brush. I think that is amazing. I love how the little raised portions or the combs and teeth, that's like a silicone vibe, so it's not going to be harsh or hard on your brushes, but they're going to work even harder to go ahead and get all of that old makeup dirt and grime out of your MODA brushes. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That's all I have to share with you today from MODA Brushes. Thank you again to MODA Brushes for partnering with me for this video. I'm really excited for the holidays, guys, and I hope you got some holiday inspiration for your makeup needs and that you're going to go ahead and grab a couple of these kits to add to your collection. Or again, if you have a makeup lover in your life, these items that I talked about today, they will be so happy when they open them Christmas morning. You'll be it. You'll be the best gift giver ever. Again, so thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.